our MLA.
Cyril, sit this way, no little.
What do you think men having power over ladies?
Why you want to show your power over ladies? Why not on gents? Why you want to show your power over ladies? Ladies is there preparing food in the house, residence. What for them at the night times? That too, sir. I don't want to talk about this. This is very bad.
I also heard that you have a good opinion about Swami Nityananda. What is your opinion, sir?
Sad. Sir, if you wear one orange clothing and one turban and Rudraksh mala, it's not that you become Lord Shiva. See, when the ladies coming and sitting at the feet of Guruji, Guruji will not say, no, you will not shun. So that is why I have utmost respect on that person.
Okay. What do you think about development? Because even Yediyurappa also keep talking about.
Development.
Yediyurappa also keeps talking about development.
See, you very rightly asked that question. Because why means development means development means it is improve of people in everywhere. Everybody succeed. All our life must become happy, jolly.
Till now, what all development have you done?
3 latrine and 1 primary school extra room and 1 flag hoisting maidan.
Good job, sir. What message you tell for today's youth?
Today's youth, young people, I want to tell them one thing. That is not to go to this pub in the night times and dance and all those things. Because they want to get divorce. Devote adequate time in for study. Because I means this nation, our country needs education.
How did you spend your childhood days?
Sir, I wanted to tell this because by means I am from village. So in our village there is no proper electricity. I want to tell this. So me being in village, with that way I have become educated. So today's children in village we were 5 magus and having 1 candle we were 5 magus sitting and studying, and by that way I became educated. Today's children means you have a tube light, halogen power light, solar light, every light is there.
No, I don't know.
But no
You
proper
must have
education.
gone by mistake. Wait, no, where are you?
So what you said was right.
Huh? So you didn't leave
So
yet.
finally, you are totally convinced that you are not going to
So
be
you're waiting
a
till
bad
7?
politician.
I'm coming down, wait.
Sir, what is the problem? What is this word bad? I doesn't know the meaning word bad, because from childhood days till now, my father, mother, Aja, Ajis, everybody have told me, be good, goodbye, 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 like that they have told. I doesn't know the meaning of bad.
Okay, then. Thank you, sir.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.